Hi friends, so we have been working with the book called Growing Frogs. So in our book Growing Frogs, we're going to do our retell worksheet. And our retell is I can retell the story with events, characters, and setting. So I want you to think about this story that we've read. So go ahead and in your head tell me out of all these cards which one goes with our story for number 1? Alright, you're right. So her mom did read her a book about frogs, and it frightened her, didn't it? It frightened the girl. But then her mom took her somewhere. Where did her mom take her? Yep, you're right, to the pond. And then what did they do at the pond? Yep, they took eggs from the pond and stones and they put them in a bucket. Then what do you think happened? Yep, you gotta put everything in a tank. You gotta put it somewhere, right? And then each day they had changed a little and they started to hatch, right? Because they start to hatch. And then when they hatched, you have to clean the tank that they put them in. And then they start changing. Look at that. They start growing legs and arms. And then those frogs started gulping air. It was time for them to go back to the pond because they were ready to not be in water. And then they took the baby frogs to the pond, and then a week later she returned to the pond and there were frogs everywhere. So this is our story retell for our story called Growing Frogs. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed learning a lot about frogs and about what this girl went through. Alright guys, you have a great day. Bye!